Today we're going to solve projectile problem. This is the physics. The problem is, on level ground, a shell is fired with an initial velocity of 50 meters per second at 60 degrees above horizontal and feels no appreciable air resistance. A. Find the horizontal and vertical components of the shell's initial velocity. B is how long it takes the shell to reach its highest point. C. Find the maximum height above the ground. And D. Find the total distance traveled. So the given, or V sub O, is 50 meters per second. Initial angle is 60 degrees. Then first is we need to find the initial velocity along the x and along the y. Okay, so along the x we have VO cosine theta. So that's 50 meters per second cosine of 60. So we'll have the initial velocity to be 25 meters per second. For the initial velocity along the y, VO sine theta. So y is paired with sine theta. So that's 50 meters per second sine of 60. So we'll have 43.3 meters per second. So that's the initial question. For the second question, we need to find how long does it take the shell to reach its highest point. So we will use this equation here. The first equation of the free fall. So Vy is Voy minus g of t. We know that at the highest point, your final velocity there, or your Vy, is 0. So it's a given, but it seems like a silent given. So we'll just substitute. Okay, substitute V sub O with 0 and VOY with 43.3, then G with 9.8. So we'll have the time it takes from the starting point to the highest point at the top is 4.42 seconds. So the third question is, find the maximum height above the ground. So we already answered the components of the initial velocity. Then we'll have the time to reach the highest point, and now the maximum height, or the position of the highest point. So find y. We'll use the equation, the fourth equation of the free fall. So Vy squared is Voy squared minus 2g y minus y sub O. Again, we know that at the highest point is a silent given, the velocity is 0. So we'll have 0 equals 43.3 squared minus 2 times 9.8 times y. So we'll have y is equal to 95.66 meters. So the last question is find the total distance traveled, or we call this as the range. So we'll use the equation for the horizontal. X minus x sub O is Voxt. So Vox is 25 meters per second. T is T, meaning this is the time from the starting point to the highest point. That's 4.42 seconds. So we'll have the range, or the distance traveled from the starting point to the middle, or the midway, is 110.5. So the total range is times 2. You just multiply with 2. Okay, so we have the answers. The The components of the initial velocity is 25 and 43.3. The time it takes to reach the highest point is 4.42 seconds. Maximum height is 95.66 and the range is 221. Now, if you like this video or if this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.